I just rode this. This thing is awesome. It's really quick. These tires really grip. I was trying to peel out, but you know, it was really tough and it's really wet. A lot of these other mowers are sliding everywhere. I really felt that traction. And again, you know, you got that commercial grade engine on it, the FX 730. So it's not the FR series. Again, this is, you know, a semi-commercial grade mower. You know, you got the 3400 pumps. So, I mean, it's pretty much a commercial grade mower. So, anybody have any questions, let me know. I'm gonna add this into the bid. Cat XRZ Pro.